Morning and welcome to Trandsi Advanced Trading Systems. It is Sunday. I hope you guys had an amazing week. In this video, we're going to go over my Sunday watch list and why I believe Ford, Rivian, Sofi, and Citi are great entries into the market and the technical analysis behind all of it. If you haven't already, please do click the like and subscribe button. I send out watch lists every Sunday, and then throughout the week, I recap what I'm entering and also exiting trades for profit. Alright guys, let's dive into the first one. It is going to be Ford. I'm looking for a long position in Ford, and this is the reason why. Let's go ahead and start on the 4-hour time frame. To start off with, you had a massive sell-off in the market here, and we're in what's called a consolidation period. We're not going up, we're not going down, we are just consolidating back and forth, back and forth. In my opinion, specifically, I'm going to be looking for long entries if we can test around this green demand zone to pop up and above. The reason being is if you look down on our Trandsi Advanced dashboard, we are moving our money momentum in an upward direction. We're stepping up, and we also got a market momentum shift from bearish, which is red dots, into bullish, which is green dots. This indicates that the market is going to be trending up and our money is flowing in. Let's go ahead and drop this down one more and look at the 1-hour time frame. I like this setup as well because we have all three of our indicators down here representing a bullish momentum. You have a green EMA crossover, your money momentum is stepping in the upward direction, and you also have your middle line, which is the overall market momentum in a bullish trend represented by green dots. So I will be looking at Ford for a long entry come Monday. Next one we're looking at is going to be Rivian. Again, let's start on the 4-hour time frame. Similar to the last one, I am seeing this. If you were to draw a line from the bottom all the way up, let's just do it for you guys right here. Which direction is this going? Up. Right here, we have this demand zone again where it's so hard to break through. We're making higher lows. I want to see Rivian, again, test this area and pop through so we can take profit around this area of 86.47. Dropping down to the 1-hour time frame, the other reason why I like this setup, excuse me, let's get that out of there, is because on the bottom you can see we were in a bearish market stepping down. We've reversed now. So we almost hit into these bottom two green bands. We're stepping back up with the money momentum, and our overall market trend has shifted to those green dots, meaning a bullish momentum. You can see by this huge green candle surpassing all the last 3 or 4 of these, showing that the momentum is in an upward direction. So I would be looking at Rivian for this next week into a long position, you guys. Alright, let's dive into the next one here. These next two are, in my opinion, phenomenal long entries into the market. But you need to be patient and you need to have this system. Because once this system gives you the green light, you are going to be making a massive amount of money. You guys, right now we have this system on sale. It's $199. It's 60% off. Retail value is $499. This will be going up in price. But if you have this system, you will be able to get alerted on these next two stocks when this makes a change, and you will make a substantial amount of money if you're patient and you follow the guidelines on how I trade. The reason I'm looking at Citi is the exact reason how this happened before. Look what happened right here. We were in a bearish market represented by the red middle line. Look where we're at right now. Same thing. We had our money momentum stepping out of the market and we started testing into these green two bands. What happened straight after this? Shot straight up. We also got a green Key EMA crossover right here. Even if you had entered late into the market when you had all three of these confirmed, which I would highly recommend, this is your entry right here. Look what happened afterwards. So that's why I'm looking at in a similar setup with Citi, because again, we're making higher lows in the market. Higher lows means we're still in an uptrend. So I want to be looking for something to the upside after it's been exhausted. So with this trading indicator, the people that have already bought this, I want you to mark down Citi as one of these. When we get a change from red over to these green lines and we get a green EMA crossover, you need to be looking at an entry, and I'm going to be looking at it as well. I will update this trade throughout the week. The next one is another situation where this system is so powerful, and without it for this trade, it's going to be difficult to try to find an entry, but super simple if you're trading with this advanced trading system. On the 4-hour time frame, Sofi has had a huge sell-off. It is consolidating right here with your money momentum and the market. If you dip down though into the 1-hour time frame, look at this setup. This is, in my opinion, a picture perfect setup for SoFi. I think in the long term, this is a great company to invest in. Short term, I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame, so I would be looking at about a minimum 2 week contract out to possibly on the 4 hour where you look for about a month. So the reason I am going to get into this trade when we switch over is similar to where we had right here. Look at the similarities, I guess you could say, in these two spots. What happened? We had a red EMA crossover, money momentum stepping out. This was a great entry. But at the bottom, we ended up testing this bottom low. Look what's happening right now. The same exact setup. When we switch over and when you get indicated on this system after you purchase, you guys, this takes 5 minutes to download, get onto your charts and trade exactly with us. When we see a shift to green and a green key EMA crossover, I want you to be looking for long positions, and I am going to be looking for this as well. This had a massive shoot up afterwards. I'm looking for the exact same, but you need to be patient. This could continue to keep going lower. We do not have, in my opinion, a strong buy opportunity right now because we don't have all three of our indicators, specifically how it was right here as another example. Here's your entry and then your take profit. We don't have that yet, but when we do, this is going to be a great setup, you guys. I hope you find value in these videos that I'm making. Again, please do like and subscribe. I will be doing watch lists every Sunday and then updating these trades throughout the week when I'm taking profit and when I'm entering. So if you haven't already, again, please like and subscribe. We do have this indicator system currently on sale for 60% off, only $1.99. This is not a monthly membership, you guys. A lot of indicator systems are going to monthly memberships. I hate that idea. I want to be able to purchase something once, make back this profit within one trade, and be able to have it for life. The members that have already signed up and purchased this have already made back this amount within the first couple trades they've made. We are 22-0 on this channel for a reason, because we use the right tools, we're trading with the right people, and we're being patient when we enter. We're trading options. We're on the 1 hour time frame, we're going 2 weeks out. If we're on the 4 hour, we're going a month out. If we're on the daily, we're going 2 to 3 months. You need to allow yourself to have time and to be trading with the right tools. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I will see you guys here next week, Monday through Friday, doing updates. Have a great one. Have a blessed weekend. It's beautiful where I'm at. I hope you guys are having a great time. Let's make some money this week.